Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we will be looking at another token with a promising arbitrage opportunity. And like always, my tutorials are practical and you can follow through with them right away. The wallet I'm going to use is the Trust wallet, and all tokens are going to be BEP20 tokens. Without further ado, let's get right on with it. In order to carry out this arbitrage, we just need a crypto wallet. In this case, I'm going to be using Trust wallet. So I'm going to open my Trust wallet app. The token I want to arbitrage on is called the High Streets token. High for short. By default, you won't have it on your dashboard, so you have to add it manually. To do that, click on this toggle here. Then type in High and select the Binance Smart Chain version of it. You can also see it written as BEP20. I have successfully added the High token to my dashboard. Notice that the value of one High is $1.58 on Trust wallet. I'm going to assume that you are familiar with the Trust wallet app and that you know how to fund your account. To do this arbitrage, you need to fund your Trust wallet account basically with BEP20 USDT with the amount you intend to arbitrage with. You are also going to need some Smart Chain BNB. As you can see, I already funded my account. If you've done that, let's proceed. Let me show you a practical overview of what I'm talking about. Let's open our web browser and go to the High Streets website. This is a website. So I'm going to scroll down, then I'm going to click on Buy High token today. Notice also that the price of one High token here on the High Streets website is approximately $1.317. It is the price difference that we are going to take advantage of. And I want to show you a glimpse of the profit that can be made by just buying and selling this token across two different platforms. So let's proceed to choose the token we want to pay with. Select USDT. If we enter an amount, say $500, you can see that $500 here will get us approximately 372.77 High tokens. Let's go over to Trust Wallet. Click on the browser tab here within the wallet and type pancakeswap.finance. Okay, this is PancakeSwap and I've already connected my wallet. Make sure your wallet that's connected is the Smart Chain. Okay, by default, the swap pair you'll have here is between BNB and Cake. So we want to see a swap between High and USDT. So I'm going to click this BNB here, type High, select High. I'll do the same here and select USDT. So if we come here to our swap on PancakeSwap and input 372 High tokens, it will give us 576 USDT. That's like an extra $76. So this is basically what we will be doing. Buy a High token with USDT from its website and then swapping it back for USDT on PancakeSwap. And we will be pocketing the profit. Let me go back to the High Streets website and carry out one trade so you can see how it works in real time. I already entered the amount I want to buy, $500. So I'll just click on Buy High. You will be redirected to Trust Wallet. Then click on Next and I'll hit Confirm. So I'm going to go back to my Trust Wallet dashboard. As you can see, 500 USDT has been deducted from my wallet along with some few cents in Smart Chain BNB. So I'll just refresh my dashboard and wait for my High tokens to reflect. And as you can see, I've just received 372.21 High tokens, which is already valued at approximately $587 on Trust Wallet. Now that we have the High tokens, let's proceed to PancakeSwap to swap it. You can see that our High balance is showing. So I want to swap all the High tokens, so I'm going to click on Max. All the High tokens will get me 576 USDT, which is fine by me. Then click Swap and Confirm Swap. So we have successfully swapped all our High token. You can now disconnect your wallet, click on Cancel and go back to your dashboard. If I refresh my dashboard, you can see that the High tokens have been swapped to USDT. And now I have 576 USDT. As you can see, I just made $76 in a few minutes. Now you can do this as many times as possible. All you have to do is check both the High Streets website and Trust Wallet and make sure that the price difference still exists, because buying and selling actions will definitely affect the movements of the arbitrage. You don't need to be an expert to do this. Just have crypto in your wallet and follow the steps I took in this tutorial. And you can do this over and over again because this is crypto and there is no limit to the number of transactions that you can do. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Till next time.